Now, I done outdone myself on this one, but I had to have these mother right here. Yes, sir. Boy, these mother came early. And I got a size 14, bruh. Air Jordan 10 Retro. Whew. I know these about to be fire flames. Open this box. Y'all see who they from, man. Y'all see who they from, man. Hit them up, man. Hit them up. AK Sneakers. Y'all see them. Fanny, I appreciate these right here. I had them, bro. These gonna take me back to 2005, 2006. Back in Martin, Tennessee. Had to drive that out of Jackson to cop these motherfuckers. Ooh, hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man. Oh yeah. I think this is my Chris Brown concert shoe right here. I gotta throw a fit on with these. I think I'm gonna rock these, go to the Chris Brown R&B Usher concert. Maybe. I might have to find me some Jordan Lows or something, but whatever it is, just know I'm gonna step out in them. Fresh as hell. Yes, sir. Man, boy. Whew. Man, y'all see it, man. Jordan 10 Red Steels is what they call them, man. And I had to cop these, bro. There's a couple other shoes that I want, but I had to get these first. Yeah. Especially in they size 14, man. And I might have to double up, triple up on these, because this might be my all-time worst shoe, man. This is one of my grails, bro. Like the black, like the steel 10s, the red steels is, yeah, they up there. So, but yeah, y'all stay tuned for more videos, more content, more shoe unboxings. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share the channel. And until next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.